I am Pascal from Boatshed, Bourgogne. My pleasure to introduce you this British steel cruiser with a length of 11.50 meters and a beam of 3.50 meters. Engine Soleil, 95 HP. Here we are in the saloon. We have a dual steering, one inside and the other outside. The aft cabin, with a double berth hatch inside, a lot of storage. And basin. Manual heads and the shower. Going forward, the cabin. With the dinette, it could be converted in a small double berth. Cooker, 2 burners gas, induction oven cooker, microwaves, fridge working on 12 volt and 220 volts, with a freezer, manual head, and a little cabin with 2 V-berths in the front, forward. If this boat interests you, do not forget to contact Pascal from Boatshed Paris.